Gates open, they're up and racing. Larmagnac draws for your lead, moving up Grand Dynasty. Going time is on the outside. Libre lang down in fourth, then followed over by entry for A. And that she's Commandant Sematics running third last, home run last, second last, and running at the tail of the field is Rayo. Heading towards the last 600, 6A going time in command by about 4 lengths. Running in second, Larmagnac moving up down on the inside. Libre lang running alongside his Grand Dynasty. She's Commandant is racing in peep at this moment. Running by the rail is Home Run last as they turn for home. Going time this time, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Moving up by the rail is Home Run last and still getting closer and stronger by the rail. We have Going Time, Home Run last. Now takes the lead by the rail over Going Time. And leading the finish line, it's going to be Home Run last. Winning this race by 4 over Going Time, Libre lang. Then comes Larmagnac. She's Commandant, Rayo, Sematics, and Grand Dynasty.